Hi guys, it's Becky and Arden again, and we have another item that we're going to review and we've never tried it before. It's by Osem and it's called Bamba, and they're strawberry flavored snacks. So, and these are from New Jersey, and I guess we'll just open it up and try it, and we'll let you know how it tastes. And this pack comes with 8 individual packs. So we're just going to open one to share.
Yeah.
So they come with 8 of these.
What do they smell like?
Smell interesting.
Yeah, it kind of smells like a green tea. It smells like
So here's what they look like. They kind of look like red tricks.
Yeah, they look like red tricks.
You ready?
Those are really good.
It does taste like strawberry. It does taste like tricks too.
It tastes like tricks.
It definitely tastes like tricks.
They're so good.
So if you're looking for a cereal type of snack, these taste like cereal and it's full.
I would highly recommend them. They're really good. Because Trix is like my favorite cereal that I eat in the morning. And I love it. Oh, and I'm wearing some pants that I got from Amazon.
Yeah. So in each container, it has 1.5 cups. And there's 140 calories per serving. 6% fat, 10% saturated fat. 8% carbs, 11 grams of sugar, and then the ingredients are corn, sugar, palm oil, fructose, maltodextrin, beetroot concentrate, soybean, and then just flavoring. So that's what the back looks like.
They're really good.
Yeah, these are very tasty. So if you're interested in trying these for yourself, we'll put the link that we bought our free product from in the comments, and leave a comment if you'd like to try some, and we'll ship out one of our 8 packages to you to try as well. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.